Hello internet friends. In this video I am continuing to install ribs into this fuel tank. I've noticed installing a rib and doing the job that I want to do takes about 1 hour. So how many ribs are in this fuel tank? Also, let's see, this is video is 6 minutes long and I've sped this up 20 times, so really this is probably about 1 hour 20 minutes of work. I mean, I guess that's if you count prep and tear down time, but 1 hour per rib is probably a good budget. And I am actually recording this video in my car, in my garage, because it is the only quiet place in my house. Semi-quiet place in my house because there are too many kids. Does anybody want one? I have some for sale. I'm sure we can work out a fair price. At least one of them has done riveting before. A couple rivets. So, no help with fuel tanks. Just they can hand you rivets. That's what they could do. No takers, huh? I didn't think so. I guess I will have to send them to college instead. Let's see, what else can I say? It seems like it's cooling down here in Vegas, which is abnormal for this time of year. This week is forecast to be all in the 90s, and at least for the past, I don't know, I've been here 8 years, and for at least the past 5, from what I can recall, it's been in like the 115s, and it's going to be under 100, so that's very welcome. Let's see, what else can I say? I have a 16-year-old that is learning how to drive. That's exciting. Oh, and that car I'm sitting in, it's not actually my car. It's Hertz's car, because another child was backed into in my car, and so my Tesla is in the shop. So that's fun. It's not fun not having your car. It's super annoying to have basically the same car but crappier, like a crappier version of your car. Like if you have the performance model and then they give you the not performance model to rent, it's not as fun or nice, and I just want my car back. You know what? The AC on the 2018 Tesla Model 3 works amazing compared to the shitty version that's on the 2022 Model 3. Now, that's based on my experience of being this rental 2022 Model 3, but I'm just gonna say the 2018 is probably the best you can get. Like, there's a lot of things I like better than the 2022. Oh, including the backup noise. My car, no backup noise. I can sneak up on anybody I want. This one makes that woo ghost backup sound. Why does a backupping EV sound like a ghost? I don't know, but that's what Tesla chose. Maybe you can change it. I don't care enough to find out. Let's see, what else can I talk about while I am riveting and putting Pro Seal all over this rib. I'm creating a super nice flange. A lot better than the last tank that I built. Oh, and I found Pro Seal. There's more Pro Seal on my arm right now. Yeah, I found some Pro Seal when I was in the shower on my arm. I thought I washed it off, and then I got out of the shower, went to the gym, came home, took another shower, and found Pro Seal on the other side of my arm. So I'm almost done with this fuel tank. And then I don't think I ever have to use Pro Seal again. I know there's some service bulletins that require Pro Seal or recommend Pro Seal. I have a pint can and like 2 ribs in the baffle to do, so I'll probably have a lot of Pro Seal left over, so I will probably do those service bulletins and put some Pro Seal and then be done forever. Just put the Pro Seal in the freezer, refrigerator, whichever one, it will survive, and then not worry about it ever again until I build a RV-15. So if you are also saving Pro Seal for your RV-15, come join our chat groups. If you scan these QR codes, you'll get the invite, and then you'll be part of them, and you can talk about Pro Seal or RV-15 or repairing a car that got backed into, or teaching your 16-year-old how to drive. But do that on Slack, unless you really want to kickstart the Discord and have people chat there. So see you there. See you in the next video.